Hello, my name is Regina. Today I'll be sharing with you a summary of the project my team and I carried out for our Engineering Management and Economics course. We were required to plan a project from start to finish using the knowledge gained from this course. Following the theme for this semester, we have selected the 3-ply surgical face mask as the product for our project. The details will be further discussed in my presentation. On a side note, profits made from this project will be donated to a charitable home. We decided to donate our profits to Rumah Amal Cheshire Selangor located in Batu Caves. Now, I will proceed to introduce all of my team members. My team consists of a total of 8 members. We are called the Eight Mask-eteers. As you can see from the organization chart below, I am Hsu Wen, the Chief Executive Officer. I oversee the progress of the project along with Joshua, the Chief Operating Officer, to ensure that the project runs smoothly at all times. Soon Yew is the Chief Finance Officer and he handles all financial matters of the project. Chun Kit, the Chief Marketing Officer, handles all the marketing strategies of our product along with monitoring our website and social media accounts. Ning is our Chief Procurement Officer and handles the sourcing and supply chain management of the entire project. Kai Hei, the Chief Quality Officer, is in charge of performing quality checks on the goods before passing the goods over to the logistics department for delivery to our customers. Aun Jie is the Logistics and Distribution Manager, and he handles all matters regarding the distribution process of our project. Lastly, our customer service representative Chong Yin is in charge of providing our customers with sufficient information about our project's products and services. Throughout the entire project, my team showed excellent teamwork and initiative. I genuinely enjoyed working with them and could not have asked for a better team. I am very proud of my team. As said in my introduction, the product we have chosen is the 3-ply surgical face mask. We selected this product after conducting a survey to gain public opinion and thoughts about PPE during the current COVID-19 pandemic. Based on the survey analysis, 97.5% out of our 159 respondents believe that PPE such as face masks, hand sanitizers, and gloves are important and effective to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. A whopping 100% of respondents have confirmed that they use face masks in their daily lives. To further verify our decision between the different types of face masks, 78% of our respondents have chosen the 3-ply surgical face mask as most preferable. Our product, the 3-ply surgical face mask, is composed of 3 different layers, each with their specific functions and uses. The outer layer of the face mask is a hydrophobic layer that is designed to repel water vapors such as blood and body fluids. The middle layer will act as a filter to filter certain bacterium from excess water vapors to prevent us from inhaling harmful substances. The last layer, the inner layer, acts as a hydroponic layer that can absorb mild amounts of water, sweat, and spit. The 3-ply surgical face mask is said to be able to filter up to 95% of bacterium from the environment, thus providing a source of clean air supply for the user. The World Health Organization also encourages the people to use 3-ply surgical face masks when in public to further reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus. The mask is disposable and comes with built-in elastic ear loops for ease of usage. Other than that, it is also easy to obtain 3-ply surgical face masks almost anywhere in the market now. The main objective of our project is to provide clean, safe, and affordable face masks for all. Our product will act as a protective barrier that puts its users in safe and secure positions from the current pandemic. Also, we sell our face masks at only 60 cents a piece, far below the current market price of face masks in Malaysia. I will talk more about this topic in the next part of my presentation. As mentioned before, we conducted a survey to determine the best PPE to choose as our product. Based on the survey analysis, almost 100% of our respondents concluded that it is still necessary to wear a face mask in public, even during the recovery state of the pandemic. This proves to us that people will remain aware of the virus, although the number of cases has decreased, to prevent the pandemic from reoccurring. This also ensures that there will still be a market for face masks until the virus has been completely defeated. to emphasize and reinforce our company's identity, as well as to further build reputation in the market, my team and I perform a brainstorm session to generate a slogan for our product. Though having a catchy slogan may seem informal in nature, a slogan also allows our product to be more memorable, appealing, and desirable in the market. We finalized our slogan to be, "Mask is a must as health is wealth." Another one of our strategies is to sell our products at a very affordable price. In accordance with our goal to provide clean, safe, and affordable face masks, we sold our face masks at only 6 ringgit Malaysia for a pack of 10 pieces. By selling our product at a relative low price, it makes our product more attractive to our target market. My team has fully focused our manpower and resources 100% towards online marketing. As our project was carried out during the movement control order period, we were unable to move freely or set up booths to perform our sales. We also have a limited capital income. Therefore, online marketing also proves to be the most suitable and economical way for us to promote our products. During the pandemic, many people were stuck at home, either working from home or having online lessons. Without a doubt, online platforms will be used more frequently as a form of pastimes during breaks. Therefore, utilizing online platforms to promote our product will aid our product to acquire more visibility and exposure. Other than that, we also rely on our customers' word-of-mouth recommendations to their acquaintances to gain more exposure and sales. Lastly, we put our focus on after-sales services. Customers are able to contact us on any one of our platforms to seek for help if needed. We will also ask for customer feedback on our service performance and quality of goods after the delivery has been done. We will accept the feedback provided and find ways to further improve ourselves to provide our customers with the best service possible. All our social media platforms and our websites are interlinked. People are able to visit any one of our platforms with just a click of a button. Firstly, may I introduce our personal website. Only certain images of our website will be shown during my presentation. If you would like to view the website yourself, do click on the link provided in the video description below. We have created many tabs on our website featuring a wide range of information, from the information about coronavirus, such as symptoms and screening tests, to information about face masks, such as the correct way to wear a face mask and the correct way to dispose of our face masks. We also try our best to update the latest news of the pandemic on our website. People who are interested to purchase our product may visit our shop tab and continue from there. Any of our customers are welcome to leave their feedbacks on our website. Next, our Facebook and Instagram accounts are shown in the pictures below. We gain exposure by inviting our friends and family to come and support our project by liking and following our accounts. On both of these platforms, we actively promote our product as well as frequently update the public on the latest news about the ongoing pandemic. We also share health tips to ensure our followers remain safe and healthy. We conducted live streams on our social media accounts from time to time to further boost awareness of the coronavirus as well as further promote our product. Lastly, we use WhatsApp to further promote our product and also to perform our sales. We spread the word to our WhatsApp groups to obtain exposure. To further add, we perform all of our sales online and deliver the orders to customers personally within 3 working days. Now, I will share on the financial aspect of our project. Below shows the actual budget of our project. In a period of about 5 weeks, we were able to generate a total sales of 157 packs of face masks, which amounts to a total of 942 ringgit Malaysia. One of our customers decided to donate an extra 15 ringgit for our cause. This leads our total collections to a whopping 957 ringgit Malaysia. Lessing the cost of goods purchased as stock as well as petrol expenses, we are left with a total of 143 ringgit and 70 cents. We decided to donate about 80% of our profit, which is about 120 ringgit, to Rumah Amal Cheshire Selangor and split the remaining profit within our team. Next up is the break-even analysis of our project. A break-even analysis is used to determine the revenue needed to cover the total costs, which consists of variable costs and fixed costs. The variable cost of our project was our petrol expenditure, and our fixed cost was the cost of purchasing our stock. with a contribution margin of 822 ringgit, which has a ratio of about 87% and a variable expense ratio of about 13%. The break-even point of our project is 132 units. This means that a minimum sales of 132 packs of face masks must be sold in order to be profitable. Lastly, I would like to talk about the forecasting of our project. Do refer to the graph provided for better understanding. We forecasted the product life and sales of our product, the 3-ply surgical face mask, successfully debuted early during May and experiences growth during the month of June, which is when the pandemic began to spread like wildfire. It reaches maturity stage in July. Our product may begin to decline in sales approaching the end of July when marketing efforts are slowed down to prepare for the closing of accounts. The sales demand may also decline when face masks are no longer in higher demand in the marketplace. To conclude, many lessons were learned during the duration of this project. Teamwork and communication is very important to prevent miscommunications from occurring and to ensure that the entire project runs smoothly. Proper and efficient planning is needed in order to set the project in the right direction. Good management skills are also needed to ensure that the project faces no problems during the execution period. Lastly, it is always best to be reminded that there are always people who are less fortunate than us and require our help. My team and I hope with all of our hearts that our small donation will be able to aid Rumah Amal Cheshire Selangor even in the smallest way possible. Thank you for listening to my presentation and have a nice day. And remember, a mask is a must as health is wealth. Stay safe!